Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can show desktop icons on your Windows. So if your desktop icons has been hidden and then you want to show the desktop icons of your Windows, then there's no problem for that. So currently I have just showed my desktop icons, or I've just viewed and like display this in my desktop. So how can you do the same? Now click on the start button and click on the settings icon. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, we have to look, or we have to simply look for personalization. Then here we need to look for themes. Then we need to scroll down, and under related settings, you can find desktop icon settings. Now here you can find the desktop icons. So in my case, I have just displayed the recycle bin. That's why I haven't showed the computer, users, files, network, and the control panel. So how we can show this is we need to simply check this desktop icons. Now, once you have make sure done checking this options, then you need to click on apply, click on OK, and once you close the settings window, there you can see the desktop icons. You have the network, this PC, control panel, recycle bin. Now, another thing that you need to make sure, make a right click on your desktop, select view. Make sure that show desktop icons this is checked, because if you uncheck this, then there you go, you have just unshowed, or your desktop icons has been hidden. Now how you can enable it again, or how you can show the desktop icons, make a right click on your desktop, select view, then click on show desktop icons. Now check this option, and there you go, you have just show the desktop icons of your Windows. So that's the two ways that you need to make sure in order to show the desktop icons of your Windows. Just very easy and just a very simple step to follow. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.